Speaking of those employees, actually, Apple is offering them paid time off to go get their vaccine. To encourage employees to get the COVID-19 vaccine, Apple is offering paid time off for vaccine appointments and paid sick leave for those who experience side effects.
That's nice.
They're trying to get people back into the infinite loop HQ as fast as possible. They just finished that thing, and then everybody bounced.
Yeah.
Probably a ghost town in there. That thing's enormous. It's like it's bigger than an airport.
Imagine cleaning that place.
Holy cow.
You're the only one.
Yeah,
Just
or
sweeping the
just
floors?
being in there alone.
Yeah.
You don't even have to be doing it. Just looking around. Whoa. Anyway, they're trying to get people back in there, and they're trying to speed that up, I guess, by encouraging these vaccines to take place. Apple does not have its own supply of vaccines and is not providing shots to workers, so employees are required to get vaccines through their state medical facilities. And this will help them reopen and get their employees back to work sooner. Tim Cook has said recently that he can't wait for employees to return to in-person work. Cook said that people need to be together because you can't plan collaboration and innovation. It's like you and I, Will.
Yeah.
We get together over here and all of a sudden, innovation.
Changing the world.
Hey, man, don't get carried away over there.
Okay. Yeah.
Sheesh.
Sorry.
Yeah, so anyway, I don't know. I guess that's kind of interesting that they're going to that extent, but I would assume other employers would be doing something similar as well. I don't know how exclusive that is, but of course, since it's Apple, it makes the news.
Yeah.